Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to link your Telegram account to your Moonberg Airdrop. So we need to go to our Moonberg, and I think our Moonberg season 1 is almost finished. So just go to the Moonberg and link our Telegram. Just open it. Once you open it, sorry for that guys, I'm going to okay, I'm going to go there. Once you go there, sorry for that, I'm going to go to open. So once you go to your Moonberg Airdrop, just go to the open it. Was the open it. Now what you need to do is click on connect here. You can see here. Next you click on connect, and it's going to take you directly to their website, their site. So we're going to connect and we're going to connect our Telegram to Moonberg. So just let's wait for it. So the season 2 is almost finished. Sorry for that guys. So what we need to do is click on continue. Once you click on continue, just click on next, and you can see connect your Telegram. Click on connect Telegram, and it's going to take you to the form where you're going to connect your Telegram very easily. So let's wait for it. So guys, as you are waiting, if you are new to our channel, this is Alto's channel, and subscribe to receive more on our more videos on everything and our to-dos on our channel. Thank you guys. So click on continue. So you're going to log into your Telegram account with this. So just log into Telegram account. Once you're done, click on next. Once you're done, click on next. Follow the instruction, and you'll be able to connect your Telegram very easily. So guys, if this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video. If you have any comments or you did not get anything right, let me know. So guys,